Underneath the canopy of stars tonight, the mile-high city reaches up to touch the sky. Closer to the heavens means we're closer to our dreams. Stone by stone we pave the way for every voice to speak. Brick by brick we build a future bright and mighty like the walls of Tivoli. When the snow is falling, we see you, Denver. And the land is calling, we see you, Denver. People need lifted, see you, Denver. Voices need listening, see you, Denver. Higher than the Rocky Mountainside we rise and revel in identities that move and intertwine, forging brighter futures with the light upon the past. Differences unite and build a partnership that lasts. Bring your truth and passion to the fight. Auraria, we see you. When the snow is falling, we see you, Denver. And the land is calling, we see you, Denver. People need lifted, see you, Denver. And voices need listening, see you, Denver. Voices ring together now as one in pride, with Milo standing guard of who we truly are inside. Here we make our mark like branching roots beneath the ground. Feel the beat of those before and carry on their sound. Black and gold envelop every cry. Auraria, we see you. When the snow is falling,